Tesla stock is currently undergoing a marked downturn, having shed over 50% of its value since reaching its historic peak just recently. Despite its revolutionary contributions to the electrical vehicle industry and its advancement in autonomous driving, Tesla appears to be losing its appeal among investors. This company, celebrated for its steadfast commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge technological endeavors, has cultivated a considerable following and garnered significant investor interest. Yet, recent events have sparked notable concerns. In this video, we will examine the underlying causes of Tesla's stock depreciation, discuss on how you can strategically benefit from this trend, and share insights drawn from our own trading experience with Tesla. So stay with us. We'll return right after the intro. Welcome to yet another video from Bloomberg Capital. My name is Patrick, and today we are going to focus on Tesla, a titan renowned for its innovation and influence, currently experiencing a dramatic decline in its stock price. Let us now embark on an exploration of the factors that we think are contributing to the Tesla's recent struggles. A central factor influencing Tesla's faltering valuation is its CEO, Elon Musk. Recently, Mr. Musk has accepted a role as a strategic advisor in the Department of Government Efficiency under the current President Trump administration. In this capacity, he has been tasked with recommending cost-cutting measures, resulting in substantial layoffs within the government workforce. This contentious decision has been met with a widespread and partly global disapproval, tarnishing the public sentiment towards Mr. Musk and, by extension, also the Tesla stock. Additionally, a mounting global boycott against Elon Musk has emerged, driven by individuals opposed to the current Trump administration. We think that this backlash has had a profound impact on Tesla stock, which has now plummeted by more than 55%. We think that global macro players like hedge funds are currently selling off Tesla stock because they don't believe in the vision that Elon Musk is currently portraying, and this is the reason why we think Tesla stock is currently behaving like a waterfall to the downside. So, has Tesla really reached its pinnacle? Is this the macro top? Should we now considering the short? Let's delve into the numbers right now. Tesla's revenue growth has been nothing but short of remarkable. In 2022, Tesla reported an annual revenue of around $81.5 billion, marking an extraordinary 51% increase compared to the preceding year. This impressive growth reflects that the company was expanding and its market presence became strong and its vehicles were in strong demand. However, in 2023, growth on year-over-year basis began to decelerate, with an increase of merely 18% to compared to 2022. While 18% growth is commendable, many companies can only dream of such figures. It nonetheless pales in comparison to the prior years, which delivered far more striking results. By 2024, indications of a market saturation became evident, as growth dwindled to merely 0.95% year-over-year. Tesla had achieved an impressive $97.69 billion in revenue, but it became apparent that most individuals who desired and could afford a Tesla had already purchased one. Tesla now faces the challenge of operating in a saturated market where demand appears to be tapering off, a natural outcome of a market saturation. This scenario necessitates Tesla's expansion into new markets. However, achieving such diversification without significant obstacles seems unlikely at the moment, given the current world environment is currently shifting towards deglobalization, with rising tariffs and trade conflicts on the horizon. Additionally, Tesla must consider reducing the prices of its vehicles to target demand in the lower price segments. By doing so, the company could tap into new customer bases and revitalize demand, ensuring its sustainability amidst these market challenges. This trend is also evident in the Tesla technical performance as reflected in the stock price. Speaking of technicals, let's delve into the charts. So what we have prepared here is a chart of the Tesla stock, and as you can see in the green channel, that price has more or less reflected its boundaries and has now attempted to break out, This is completely normal when fundamentals seem to be really great. Usually you get a throwover, as you have gotten right here, when the fundamentals seem to be the best, and this was the case in the last few years. Now the stock price has found itself within the range, with the extreme bounce marked here with the dashed line and the value area marked by these lines here. As you can notice that since 2021, the price of Tesla has more or less been in this value area. Sometimes it went into the overbought condition, and sometimes it went into the oversold condition. Presently, we have seen the stock price rise to a new all-time high, reaching into the overbought condition. And this was the point where Tesla CEO Elon Musk did embark on its endeavor to help out the Trump administration with reducing costs with the Department of Government Efficiency. Since then, price has plummeted to the downside and has become more or less like a waterfall, reaching back into the value area. And this, in my opinion, is where it becomes very interesting, because usually price does consolidate around these bounds. However, it doesn't really extend lower or higher in that sense. So we have to assume that the same trend that has been ongoing since 2021 will still take place, which means that price should find support here, and then a new attempt to higher prices should be occurring. After that, we are going to see if prices can hold above the value area and then leave this channel when new demand is being found, for instance, with reaching into new markets of lowering car prices, or if this doesn't hold, which would mean that Elon Musk is also getting even more scrutiny with its action in the Department of Government Efficiency. In our opinion, it is very opportune to currently attempt long trades in Tesla and trying to take profits in the overbought condition. After that, we're going to see if we can turn this trade into an investment idea once we see what price will attempt here, additionally with the macro environment, of course. Currently, in my opinion, price should rise and price should increasingly try to attempt to reach into the overbought bounce of these trends. So in that sense, I think a Tesla price of $1,000 at some point is not really unmerited. I think it's quite likely that we are going to reach there. The question is only when and how. Now let me show you how trading Tesla stock could look like with our help. Here, we did buy Tesla on these two occasions and did sell out right there. You can find the receipts of that as shown here. Our portfolio is currently very public, so any trade we make, we do publish that, and any exit or entry we endeavor, we will always let our subscribers know. So check out our website, and maybe we will see you in our Discord, where you can find more of these trades on many other stocks. I hope you did get some value out of this video. If you did, please share this video and subscribe to our channel for more stock and cryptocurrency analysis. I'm Patrick with Bloomberg Capital. Until next time, and happy trading.